Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent at 4 Winslow Lane in North Grafton, Massachusetts. This is the one bedroom, one bathroom apartment on the first floor. And I'm going to be going around and trying to give you the best idea of the size and dimensions of this place as I can from the video, as well as pointing out a lot of the things that this place has to offer. So this is a new development, meaning that the fixtures in here are brand new appliances, brand new cabinets, pretty much brand new everything within this unit. And I'm going to be going around and trying to highlight almost each individual thing if I can. So starting out here in the kitchen, you got this nice rock countertop here and stainless steel. So this is an island separate from the L-shaped countertop that they have over here. Really big island with the stainless steel sink nozzle and the bin and the dishwasher right there as well. And the cabinets are really cool too because it has this almost like a false bottom so that you can keep extra stuff there under the sink. And it's not going to be too crowded, easy to reach. Then you got this 4-top electric stove. And looking in here, you got the nice clean oven on the inside as well. It's a Whirlpool brand for both. Whirlpool for the oven and for the microwave too. And the same thing for the dishwasher. So everything kind of goes together in this unit really well. Plenty of outlets, counting pretty much an outlet anywhere that there can be one around here. So one of the benefits of having a newer system with the electric plugs. Really big cabinets too. 4-tier cabinets in a big L shape going all around. You can see this recessed lighting. You can see the forced air vents as well for the forced air system. And if that wasn't enough outlets, those 6 outlets over there, it's also got outlets on the side of the island too. And a little space here if you wanted to put some stools or leave it open just to have the really easy time walking around. It's a really big living room. It's probably big enough for a sectional couch and a big entertainment system. As well as this easy access to the balcony. Easy access to the balcony, which is overlooked by these trees that I was showing in the beginning. You're on a really nice area of Holden that is really quiet. So if you like nature and stuff like that on the drives, it's really cool here. And we're pretty close to the Route 9 and other ways to get around pretty easily. Before we check out the bedroom, I do want to mention that since this is a 1-bedroom plus an office, it has this room and this kind of area over here, which I want to check out. But this is a little pantry closet right next to the kitchen. And then this is how you come in from the unit from the front. So you have the office on the right and the laundry room over there. But this is the office, so you have a nice little glass double door. And a nice sized office over here. So it's big enough to have the big desk, dresser, anything else that you would need to keep in an office of a home office size. And it's got the recessed lighting and everything as well. It's actually definitely a little bit more quiet in there too. So you got that separation, living room over there, bedroom over there. Then looking over here, you got this laundry room. So you got the front load and top load combo. And a little rack here, so it's plenty of space to keep anything that you would need for the laundry, especially like a little folding table or something out there. And coming back through, definitely see a lot of the lighting. This is the bedroom over here. So you've got the bedroom with the nice carpet, nice new carpet. Really big bedroom as well. I mean, it's bigger than the living room, so you could fit 2 of whatever you could keep in the living room in here. So big king or queen size bed or full size bed, depending on the bed that you would get, but up to a king size bed. And room for, it's probably a bedroom that you could also have a place to sit aside from the bed, and definitely the entertainment system in there as well. Plus a little walk-in closet. So you get the walk-in closet with 2 racks over there. Coming out of the walk-in closet and back away from the bedroom is this bathroom. So the bathroom has the same kind of new build as the rest of it too. You have sliding glass door and brand new shower on the inside. You can see the brand new shower as well as this new tile floor. And it's got the toilet as well. Nice rock countertop in here too. Same thing with the kitchen. And a big mirror over the vanity. And same thing with the fresh paint and everything like that. With the newness of the finishing. And over here you also have a kind of like electronic system for the thermostat and the AC as well. So it does have the central AC as well as the forced air heating. And I'm gonna be sure to also include in the listing some of the other things with the amenities. I know that there's a grill out here and other things covered, but best thing to do would be to come by to take a look with an appointment. If you want to see any of the apartments that we have for rent, you can go to nexuswor.com and you go to the for rent page. And once again, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester at 4 Winslow Lane.